Hey you guys, welcome back. I'm coming with another video just to let you guys join me while I touch up my hair with some more semi-permanent color. With the color black is what I'll be going over my hair with today. And I just wanted to get more of that clean, sleek look because when my natural hair color comes back in, it's really like, I just feel like it makes the whole color just a disaster. Oh, you guys just don't know. I have been so frustrated with my hair because I'm currently growing out my pixie, and the way that my hair has been growing, especially in the back, has been a straight disaster. But today's semi-permanent color, I'm going to be using the Clairol black, as stated before. And I had this left over in my cabinet, so I didn't want to go and purchase any new products. I'm going to be using my cap to set it on for 25 minutes. And then I'm going to be my wrap lotion here. And I love this stuff, you guys. It's so good. I'm going to be using my dye brush here to apply the color. I don't have any gloves, so got to use what I have. So I'm going to shake up the bottle a little bit since it's been sitting in the cabinet for a while before I get started with coloring my hair. And then since I'm going to be starting in the back of my head, I'm going to apply the color onto the brush first. So that way, since I can't see in the back of my head, I don't have any spillage because I'm not wrapping the towel around. You guys, I do this pretty often when I don't have gloves, so I'm pretty used to it. And if this is your first time dyeing your own hair, I would recommend that you purchase gloves to do the application of the hair dye color, just so you can prevent it from getting on your skin or on your clothes. But like I stated before, I'm used to doing this, so just for the sake of this video, I'm going to speed it up a bit so we can get further through and turn it around so you guys can just see in the back of my head. I can pretty much get a feel of it and see how or where to apply all the color at. But yeah, let's get started, speed up this video and get through, because this is going to take me a bit with not having gloves. It's taking me a little bit longer. Aye. Alright, after 25 minutes of letting the color sit in my hair, I rinsed it out and conditioned it. Left the conditioner on for 5 minutes and rinsed it out. And here is my wild look. And I'm just going to get started with the wrapping lotion that I'm going to apply to my hair, or shall I say setting lotion. But I'm just going to get my hair saturated with the setting lotion so that way I can go in and comb through my hair and do any type of styling that I would like for when I go and let my hair set. Okay, so finally we are near the end. Getting ready to take this scarf off and let's see how this mold is looking. So I'm going to remove my wrap paper from my head. I'm praying that this mold turned out right. Okay, so this is, I'm actually digging this. I like it better. I'm getting pretty better at molding my hair. So I'm going to go in with my heat defense to get ready to flat iron my hair. I'm going to put a little bit in my hand and rub this throughout my hair to get it all over to protect my hair from the heat, any heat damage. Alright, and the back of my head I did notice is I need to give myself a little edge, clean it up a bit in the back. So I got my Andes clippers and I'm just going to go in and clean it up. And I'm going to use my handheld mirror just to be able to see in the back of my head. Okay, so now I'm going to use my wide tooth comb to comb my hair out. I'm going to use the wider end of the comb. And this is where I'm just getting it started and prep to get ready to go in and curl it with flat iron. So I'm bringing out my other flat iron just to do the top of my head because that's where my hair gets to be a bit longer and I don't want to use the small flat iron. So this is going to help speed up the process way faster for me than using the small flat iron, and just be able to also get more of a definition at the top of my head, at the crown of my head, working my way up to the top.